Hey everyone, my name is Tyler Hutek and I'm a software engineer here at Thermotron. Today we're taking a look at Thermotron's innovative 8800 controller and diving into one of its key features, transition cooling. Let's get started. Compared to conventional cooling, transition cooling automatically uses the high and low stage compressors at optimal times in order to increase pull-down rates up to 30%. Transition cooling also reduces your test chamber's power consumption. Just select transition cooling as your cooling mode and the 8800 controller will handle the rest. That's all we have for today. Just a reminder to check out your 8800 controller manual for more information about transition cooling and everything else your controller has to offer. If you have questions, please feel free to contact us at thermotron.com or by calling your local Thermotron sales rep. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.